Good morning, church.
Good morning, Reverend Glock.
I'm very upset this morning. Very upset.
Take your time, Reverend.
You see, somebody put a $1 bill in my collection plate. Now y'all know what I'm about to do.
I got a million motherfucking ways of bringing you beef. So I ain't got to walk around puffed up, gaming all puffed up. I keep a fat black Glock in the pulpit, in case the congregation wanna start some bullshit. And man, you better watch the choir, cause if you fuck with Reverend Glock, man, them fat bitches will fire. And don't sleep on the deacon, cause he'll take a knife and chop your ass up worse than a Puerto Rican. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Now put some money in my basket for a blast you half past 10. The Reverend's got a saying, loose lips sink ships. But Reverend Glock says loose lips catch clips. So let me tell you about your big mouth fat guys. They wanna shoot your mouth off or get you baptized. If you can talk the talk, you can't walk the walk. I make it hard for you to leave New York. So you know, if you ever hear me start to sing my song, swing low. Somebody's about to go. So everybody freeze. Hands in the air, let the money drop. That's right, y'all, it's Reverend Glock.
Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police. Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police.
Reverend Glock busting shots through the 1990, state to state. The cops can't find me. They're checking through my record, but they can't seem to find why I leave no footprints or bad signs ever left behind. So people tried to call me Robin Hood, but I steal from the rich and keep it for my own good. Yeah, I'm nice on the con game. I got 150 ways I can shoot it, not one the same. I catch a bank on the humble, get a donation for my organization, watch the bank tumble. Yeah, they call me Mr. Stick-Up. I need to bust my Glock off once a day to get myself a quick pickup. Too much of anything makes you an addict, and cool. I'm addicted to my automatic. I use the Teflon tips, maybe hollow ones. I make the baddest nigga around here swallow one. See all these rappers talking shit, but won't nobody stop to bump heads with Reverend Glock.
Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police. Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police. Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police. Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police.
I'm not a Jim Baker wannabe. I never get bagged or screaming
I've sinned
like Jimmy Swag. So join my community, bring all your friends, spin up that loot so I can buy me a Benz. Take advantage of the old senior citizens check. Once my hustle runs out, what town is next? I make the crippled man walk and the blind man see. But what you don't know is they're down with me. So people call it revival, I call it survival. The Reverend down the block, he's my rival. I never really think about God, I think about Rob. Robbing you for every dime you're making on your job. Yeah, I flirt with the girls singing hymns. After service, I'll be hitting some skin. Watch me flip it and make it mine. Give the glory to the man above while I'm acting like I'm all about love. So won't you help me build this mansion? 75 acres of a country ranching. Tax-free money I can stash in my sock. Thank you very much. From Reverend Glock.
Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police. Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police. Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police. Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police. Got a nice fat Glock that he stole from the police.